Today we are going to learn how to backup Active Directory database. Okay, so we have inbuilt feature called Windows Server Backup. Okay, on Windows Server OS. Okay, so if you open Server Manager console and if you click on tools, you will get this here, Windows Server Backup. Okay, once you click here, it will open Windows Server Backup console. Okay, if you are looking at this message, backup your important files, applications or entire server to locally attached device or network share using Windows Server Backup. Okay, Windows Server Backup is not installed. Okay, see guys, if you are backing up your Active Directory database first time, then you should have backup server feature installed on your Active Directory server. That means domain controller. Okay, so I have logged into my domain controller. This is my domain controller where I have opened Windows Server Backup console. Okay, so now here I am going to install Windows Server Backup feature. See here the message is showing Windows Server Backup is not installed on this computer. So we will have to install that feature. Just click on add roles and features, click on next, next, next. See here we have selected the local computer only. My server name is srvdc001. Next, if you click on next, here under the features you will get that Windows backup, Windows Server Backup. Okay, you just have to select this checkbox and click on next, install. Okay, once you install this feature, you don't need to reboot your machine, you don't need to reboot your server. You can directly start your backup by using Windows Server Backup tool. Okay, so by using inbuilt Windows Server Backup feature, you can backup Windows Server boot files, then system state database, then if you want to backup any folder or any kind of file, then you can backup using this feature. Okay, you don't need to install any third-party backup software. Okay, click on close. Now I have installed successfully. Okay, so just go again on the tools, open Windows Server Backup feature. See that message is vanished. Okay, so now what do you need to do? Just click on local backup. Here at the right pane you can see two options. Actually there are three options. First is for scheduling backups, second is one for backup ones, and third one is for recover. Means if you want to restore any kind of files or database, then you can select third option. Okay, and second option is if you have any kind of activity on this server and that time you want to backup any kind of data, then you can select second option. And the first option is for scheduling backup. Okay, without any manual intervention you can schedule your backup. You can say at the weekend the Active Directory database should be backed up or any kind of data should be backed up. Then you can schedule backup by using or selecting first option, backup schedule. Okay, so now just let me check if I have sufficient space. See, I don't have sufficient space to start backup. So what I will do, I will create additional drive on this server. Okay, just let me create additional drive. So I have installed this virtual machine on Oracle virtual machine. that is a virtual box software. Okay, so this is my virtual machine. If I click on setting, so here under the storage, oh, this option is not enabled. Let me just cancel and minimize this, close this, and reboot. Let me just shut down this machine. What I will do, I will execute stop computer command. So now system will get shut down. And now let me just add additional drive on this server for backup purpose. Okay, click on add new storage hard drive. So you want to add, so here only I'm going to add, one sec, create, click on create VDI, dynamically allocated. Okay, that is okay. I just want to have 15 GB of space to backup Active Directory database. Click on create, select this one. See, SRV001 underscore 1. This is the new one and showing not attached. Select that one and click on choose. Click on OK. Now additional drive has been added. Just power on this server again. I have powered on this server. So it will take some time to log in. So now my server is powering on. Okay, once the login window pop up, then we will have to attach that drive as a local drive. Okay, as a E drive or D drive, or if you want any kind of other letter, you can select that one. Okay, for the backup purpose. So whenever you want to backup Active Directory database, you can backup to that drive only. Okay, so it is taking little bit more time. So I have logged into my server, and if you open computer management, see guys, if I open my computer, I won't be able to see additional drive here. To attach that additional drive as a logical volume on my server, what I will have to do, click on tools, open computer management, and under the computer management you just have to select disk management. Okay, okay, so here you will be able to see unallocated space. Okay, so what you will have to do, just you will have to right click on this unallocated space. Okay, and click new simple volume. Okay, so space will be 15 GB only. E drive, I'm going to select E drive for backup purpose. Click on next. If you want to change your volume name, you can change here. I will keep this as a backup and click on next. So drive will get attached to this server. Let me just open. See guys, the drive is visible now. We have 15 GB free space drive is available on our server. So we can start backup now. Let me just open, click on tools, Windows Server Backup console. I'm sorry. Click on Windows Server Backup. Click on local backup. and at the right side you can see local back under the local backup schedule and backup once and recover. So we are going to select backup once option to backup only single time. Okay, and next video I will show you how to schedule backup. Okay, I will select here different options, click on next. So here guys I am just going to backup Active Directory database, that's why I am going to select custom. And if you want to backup a entire server, then you can select full server. Okay, click on next, and from here you just need to add system state. So under the system state your database Active Directory database will be backed up. Okay, so system states, if you select system state, that will back up your Active Directory, sysvol, GPOs, then your if you have IIS installed on your system, that database will also get backed up. Even if you have CS server is configured on your server, that database will also get backed up under the system state. Okay, and okay, that's it, and click on next. Where do you want to backup, on local drive or remote drive? As we have added local drive, then we are going to select only local drives only. Click on next. Here I have selected E drive. Click on next, system state, and start backup. So guys, it will take some time to have a backup first time. Okay, it will take max to max 10 minutes. Okay, so once this backup starts, I will pause my video and I will start my video again. See guys, backup has been started now. Okay, if you look at here, data transfer, it is showing 89.03 MB. Okay, so it will take more time, so I will pause my video and will start again. See guys, backup has been completed 100%. Okay, so now our Active Directory database has been backed up successfully. See this window, completed. Okay, click on close and you can verify here. See, backup completed and backup size is 7.28 GB. Okay, and status is successful. Start time and end time will be displayed here. Okay, so this is the way we can backup our Active Directory database. And in next video we are going to learn how to schedule Active Directory database. Okay, so please like and subscribe if you like this video. Okay, and kindly subscribe for more videos. Okay, and next video will be for kind of scheduling Active Directory database backup. Okay, so do not miss to see that video. Thank you guys. Chalo, bye.